If I tell you homemade French bread, what do you think?
I think, or I used to think, tons of work, special occasion only, and it's probably not going to turn out very good.
But today we have an easy recipe that cannot fail, super easy to do, for an amazing French bread that we love.
You guys, it's true. Fabienne and I have made this recipe together. It literally takes about 6 or 7 minutes of work. The result is like walking down the streets in Paris. You smell the French bread and baguettes and grab one to go, this crunchy crust.
It is actually what I grew up with in France. The bakery is the center of town. It's the center of your life. And when you're a kid, you always have at least one memory of walking in a bakery with your mom or dad and smell the fresh bread.
So
But
cool.
The amazing thing is to have it at home.
And you don't have to go to France to get French bread, right? Like, we want to be able to make and recreate that experience right here at home, but if it requires all of the work of kneading and letting it rise, you just get a little bit overwhelmed by the process, and I think that's when you just check out and say, hey, I'm buying the frozen bread down the street at the grocery store.
Yeah, and it's not that bad either, right? I mean,
Yeah.
But if you want to surprise your loved one and you want to do that on a special occasion, it's not a lot of work, and that step up quite a bit the bread game to do that.
And I mean, start with special occasions, but truly, this is a recipe that you can make every day, every other day. We're gonna show you just how easy it is.
Exactly, the right time to prepare coffee in the morning, and then the bread is freshly made out of the oven, smelling amazing in your house. Something you have absolutely to try and share with us after that.
Can't wait to share it with you. In fact, we're headed out to dinner right now. We're just gonna show you, when we get home tonight, we're gonna throw the ingredients together. It's gonna take us less than 5 minutes to do that. And tomorrow morning, we're gonna get up and we're gonna shape it, throw it in the oven, and let it cook for 20 minutes, and it really is that simple. So, ready to go out to dinner?
Absolutely.
All right.
So we're gonna start with the salt. And we're gonna give it a stir with the yeast. And then the water. There. All right. All right, so the dough has risen and it's very beautiful, in fact. So I'm gonna pull our lid up. Very airy, a lot of bubbles in it, so it's gonna be perfect. As you can see, it like quadrupled in size. So the first thing you wanna do, put flour there, don't hesitate to put a lot. Now you're gonna use your dough scraper, what we call the corn. And we are going to slowly detach the sides without breaking the dough, okay? Because you don't want the good gas to go out. All right, now we're going to put flour on top as well. There. And what we're going to do is start working the dough a little bit. Again, gentle, and shape it in a long, elongated form like that. Yeah. Now we're going to do about 4 baguettes out of this. So the first thing you want to do is cut it about in the middle, like this. And you can use the dough scraper to help you split it. Perfect. There. This up there. There, perfect. Now you use your dough scraper. You start shaping them in more elongated form. There, perfect. All right, now you can add a little bit more flour where you're working right now, because what we're gonna do, we're gonna start just rolling them a little bit like this, and then putting them on all right, now we're gonna score it. There. Perfect. And now the magic trick.
Magic trick. What does that do?
It creates the right humidity in your oven to have a very crispy bread. So it's gonna be perfect and you're good to go. Look at this.
Look at that.
Look at those big
Beautiful
bubbles.
bubble.
Oh, beautiful.
Awesome.
Ah, and it's
Wow,
like
babe.
steaming hot.
Good
I don't know if
job.
you can see that. It smells so good. It smells like France.
Look at this, babe. I cannot believe you just whipped that up that easy.
Thank
I'm
you.
serious.
I used your help. We did it together.
Yeah.
We did it together.
But come on,
It
this
looks
is
amazing. Let's talk about the smell for a second.
yeah.
The smell is like you stepped in a French bakery in 5 minutes. Like literally
so true.
took like 5-6 minutes to do it, right? And honestly, the reward is amazing and smells so good.
The smell that was coming through the kitchen, the aroma, there's something about that crust. And I don't know if it's the ice cubes that you did, but it's got this kind of right on the edge of burnt smell, but in a good way, to where it reminds you of those bakeries in France. Exactly.
Exactly. In fact, I think it's also the yeast, you know, when it starts cooking.
yeah.
And all those bubble that creates the gas that is inside.
Yeah.
Makes it very, very airy. So amazing. It smells so good. And I have a little story before we start about this piece right there. So you see the end of the bread. Usually our bread are exactly like that, like a little bit, you know, pointy. Mm-hmm. And this is what usually the moms are giving to their kids.
Really?
When you're shopping, you know, you're doing your grocery shopping and the kid is agitated maybe a little bit or whatever.
Fussy, being fussy in the cart.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
you usually have a baguette in your cart and you grab and you break the tip of it. But even adults are doing it.
I mean, but
because
that's
it's
so
good.
funny and cute to me, because in America, I mean, I think we open up the bag of chips or the little, you know, nothing negative. I'm not trying to say anything bad, but we open up like a little candy or some chips or crackers. And of course, it's so French to say that you pinch off the tip of a baguette and give
Exactly.
to a kid in the shopping cart.
And let me tell you the name of it. Do you know the name of it?
No.
It's un quignon de pain. Quignon.
Quignon de pain.
Quignon de pain. Ouais.
And quignon means end, or I don't know.
Most likely
Yeah.
the end of the bread. That's what it means.
Well, I cannot wait to taste this.
Let's do it.
I mean-
So you can enjoy it without butter, but we are going to put salted butter, and not any kind of salted butter. We are going to put a French salted butter. One type that we call beurre de Barat.
Okay.
I was explaining that to you,
Yeah.
right? It's like, you know, those long sticks that you're using to
Churn.
churn.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. To churn the cream until it becomes better.
Okay.
And that one is like this.
So this is a churned
butter.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And salted one because it's our favorite. Right? So,
All right, let's sink our teeth into this.
absolutely.
Can't wait. You want some butter on yours, or you just want to
I'm
go
gonna try without.
without? Okay. I'm an American. I need a little bit of butter on my bread.
Look.
When it starts with look, then I know something good is coming. Tell me.
The crunch, the taste of la mie. So we have la croûte and we have la mie. La mie is the inside of the bread.
Wow. Babe.
This is the best, by the way, it is the best bread we've ever made here.
I think it is.
It is.
I mean, you've made this for me before, but something about this version is excellent. I mean, even more than normal. It's always excellent.
Putting the ice is such a cool trick because it's really making that crust crunchy like this. I can hear it. You can hear it when you break it as well. It's beautiful.
The steam in the oven just does something with that crust,
Exactly.
right? Yeah. I can't get over these gas bubbles inside. They've turned out so perfect. You can see, and it's very soft on the inside, crunchy on the outside, exactly the way it's supposed to be. It's just a game changer, guys. Like, it's seriously a game changer. I don't know how to explain it.
The investment of time versus the reward that we get right here, this is just, there's only check boxes here of yes, 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 yes. So
definitely. Great job, babe.
Thank you.
All right.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it. Love it. I'm glad you like it. That means it really tastes like home to you.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you enjoyed it as much as us. Even if you could not sink your teeth in this goodness here, I promise you, you will be able to do it very fast in 5-6 minutes. So please do it. Subscribe to our channel, like this video. It helps us a lot to continue to put out there some good recipe.
Thank you guys so much for your support, and please leave a comment if you do make it. Send us a picture. We'd love to see it.
Absolutely.
Okay, well, thanks y'all.
À bientôt.